Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to start or scale your dropshipping business in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing the most profitable and trending dropshipping niches for the coming year. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned entrepreneur, these niches will help you tap into emerging markets and stay ahead of the competition. Let's dive in. Before we get into the niches, let's talk about why niche selection is so important. A strong niche helps you target the right audience, stand out from competitors, and build a loyal customer base. In 2025, trends like sustainability, health, and technology are driving consumer behavior. By aligning your business with these trends, you'll be in a prime position to succeed. Now, let's explore the top niches for 2025. First up, tech gadgets and smart home products. With the rise of smart homes and AI-driven solutions, this niche is exploding. Think smart lighting, home security systems, and gadgets that make life easier. For example, AI-powered home assistants are becoming a must-have for tech-savvy consumers. Next, sustainable and eco-friendly products. As consumers become more environmentally conscious, demand for biodegradable and reusable items is skyrocketing. Think reusable straws, eco-friendly packaging, and bamboo products. Brands that prioritize sustainability are winning big in 2025. Health and wellness is another booming niche. With the fitness and self-care trends on the rise, products like fitness trackers, supplements, and ergonomic furniture are in high demand. Mental health is also a key focus, so consider products that promote relaxation and well-being. The pet industry is bigger than ever, and pet owners are willing to spend on their furry friends. High-tech pet feeders, grooming tools, and pet health products are all great options. With the increase in pet adoption, this niche is a goldmine for 2025. Finally, home improvement and DIY products. As people spend more time at home, they're investing in tools, decor, and garden products. DIY repair kits and home organization solutions are also trending. Now that you know the top niches, how do you research and validate them? Use tools like Google Trends, Jungle Scout, and social media to analyze demand and competition. Run small ad campaigns to test products before committing. Always check search volume and audience engagement to ensure your niche has long-term potential. Marketing is key to success in dropshipping. Use platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest to reach your target audience. Partner with influencers in your niche, like fitness influencers for health products or pet influencers for pet products. Create niche-specific ads and landing pages that convert. Avoid oversaturated niches unless you have a unique selling proposition. Don't chase trends without evaluating long-term sustainability. Focus on solving customer pain points and building a brand that stands out. To recap, the top niches for 2025 are tech gadgets, sustainable products, health and wellness, pet products, and home improvement. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below and let me know which niche you're most excited about. Don't forget to subscribe for more dropshipping tips. Before you go, here are a few bonus niche ideas: sustainable fashion, outdoor gear, and organic skincare. If any of these resonate with you, start researching today.